Good morning, Your Highness.
잠에서 깨어나자마자 모두에게 왕자님이라 불리며 정중한 인사를 받는 한 남자.
Yes, it is my birthday.
한 걸음을 뗄 때마다 꽃을 뿌려주는 호사스러운 대접을 받는 남자의 정체는 아프리카 자문다 왕국의 아킴 왕자입니다.
Today is your 21st birthday, which means you meet your wife to be.
Well, I'm curious, but how can a man get excited about a woman he's never seen? Well, Father, just a moment.
화려하고 거대한 식탁에 앉아있는 부모님과 중대한 이야기를 나누기 위해 다가가는데
Now, my son.
And why? Why can't I find my own wife?
Aha! So that's it. We've gone to a great deal of trouble to select for you a very fine.
전통대로 가문에서 정해준 결혼 상대가 아닌 정말 자신이 사랑하는 여자를 만나고 싶어 하죠.
I want the woman to love me for who I am, not because of what I am.
And who are you?
I am a man who has never tied his own shoes before.
Wrong. You are a prince who has never tied his shoes.
자문다 왕국의 전통을 무엇보다 중시하는 고지식한 왕이자 아버지인 자페.
Good morning, Your Majesty. It is another beautiful day in Zamunda.
And, Semi, what is it now?
Yes. I was just about to take the birthday boy for his daily workout.
Excuse me, Father. And Mother.
So you say you can have a woman who'll obey your every command, but you'd rather have a woman who has an opinion?
Only dogs are to obey. If you truly love your wife, you will value her opinion.
아버지와 숨막히는 대화에서 수행원 세미의 덕에 서둘러 빠져나가고
Also tradition that times must and always do change, my friend. I have something else in mind. Tell no one of this. I intend to find my bride.
Where will you find such a woman?
In America.
자신이 원하는 아내를 찾겠다는 일념 하나로 세미와 함께 망설임 없이 미국으로 떠나죠.
Okay, now what the f*** do you want?
We desire a room.
You better not be wasting my time. You got money? Come on in, gentlemen.
We require a room that is very poor.
왕자의 신분을 숨긴 채 자신을 진심으로 사랑해줄 평범한 아내를 찾기 위해 가장 허름한 방을 구하는 아킴. 운명의 상대를 찾기 위해 망설임도 없이 곧바로 행동을 시작하지만
I'm not interested in a man unless he drives a BMW.
Yeah, well, you know, baby, I'm almost single. My husband's on death row.
Yeah, I want to work in videos, but really I want to be my own star in the videos because I want to become a pop singer and a rock singer and write my own songs, produce my own songs, and then I want to try an actress.
평범하고 원하는 여성을 찾기는 쉽지 않았죠.
I doubt we will ever find your queen.
All right, fellas. Now, your first job every morning will be to sweep this walkway. Then, I want you to wash all the windows. Real good, too.
신분을 감추고 현지 생활에 녹아들기 위해 곧바로 일자리를 구하러 다니는 두 사람.
Don't use the bucket. It'll just confuse you. Come with me. I got an easy job for you.
그곳에서 운명처럼 사장 맥도웰의 딸 리사 맥도웰을 만나게 되는데
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
I am Akeem.
It's nice to meet you, Akeem.
서툰 말투와 조금 어색한 모습으로 그녀에게 조심스럽게 대화를 걸기 시작하죠.
Well, when it fills up, don't be afraid to call me. I'll come take it out most urgently.
That's good to know.
When you think of garbage, think of Akeem. I have to get back to my sanitation duties. Maybe.
Goodbye, Akeem.
설렘과 긴장을 아는 채 리사와의 어색한 첫 대화를 마무리하는 아킴.
Okay, fellas. Just give him a ticket. Take the keys. Park the cars down the street. Finish. Come inside and help out in the kitchen. Akeem, I want you to come with me. I want to show you the inside of McDowell's little castle.
얼마 뒤 맥도웰의 저택에서 화려한 파티가 열리자 이를 돕기 위해 설레는 마음을 안고 그의 집에 가게 되고
Ever open a champagne bottle?
I have seen it done before.
Good. Make sure you keep all the glasses full. I better get dressed for this party. Look around, make yourself comfortable till the guests arrive.
Yes. Yes, where I'm from, we have to be very aggressive.
I'm all for that. Especially with women. You know, they may not admit it, but they all want a man to take charge.
어딘가 이상한 리사의 남자친구 데릴과 대화를 나누게 되죠.
Cleo, I'd like to talk to you alone for a minute.
Sure, Daryl. Excuse us.
Mom, Dad, Grandma.
Sure, son.
Keem, make sure everybody's glass is kept full. We're about to make a very special announcement.
Yes, sir.
파티의 소란스러움을 뚫고 중대 발표가 있다며 사람들을 집중시키는 맥도웰과 데릴.
Now, as you all know, Daryl and Lisa have been going together for quite some time. Well, I'm pleased to announce that just a few moments ago, Daryl here popped the big question. And Lisa happily accepted. To the bride and groom. To the bride.
충격적인 발표에 리사는 당황한 기색을 감추지 못하며 처음 듣는 듯한 반응을 보이는데
I want to talk to you now. The next time you and my father decide to get together to plan my life, I wish you'd let me in on it.
It's not like...
Don't touch me.
무례한 발표와 독단적인 태도에 그녀는 데릴에게 강하게 경고하죠.
Thanks.
속상해 보이는 그녀를 위로하기 위해 조용히 곁에 다가가는 아킴.
Would you like some champagne?
Sit down and keep me company. If you're gonna hang out with me, you gotta loosen up, Akeem.
Oh, I can be loose. See?
Much better.
Are you all right?
I'm fine. I'm just not gonna be pressured into marriage, not by Daryl or my father or anybody.
I understand completely. In my country, they arrange many marriages, and I don't feel anyone should get married out of obligation.
You know, you're very easy to talk to. I feel like I could tell you anything.
오직 진실한 사랑을 바탕으로 한 결혼에 대한 생각이 서로 일치하고
Hey, King, we need some more champagne over here.
I almost forgot that I was here in a domestic capacity.
Well, thanks for listening to me, Akeem. I really appreciate it.
Anytime. Lisa McDowell.
가치관이 통한 두 사람은 점점 가까워지죠.
Come now, my friend. You're going to be late for work.
So what if I am?
Sammy, we cannot afford to anger Mr. McDowell now, especially since things are going so well with Lisa.
I do not care. I'm not going to work today.
Yes, you are going to work today.
왕실에서 호화롭게 살다 난생 처음 겪는 힘든 생활을 하다 보니 무척이나 지쳐 보이는 세미.
Fix this place up. But you are going to work today.
You know, I feel like I owe you a favor.
깊은 유대감을 쌓으며 아킴은 리사와 보내는 시간이 점점 늘어나는데
Why'd you come here?
To find something special. Well, no journey is still great when one finds what he seeks.
Does everyone in Africa talk like you?
Why do you not like it?
No, I love it. It's nice to be with a man who knows how to express himself.
진실한 대화에 집중하며 서로를 향한 마음을 확인하죠.
Would you like to dance?
Yes.
미묘한 기류가 흐르던 두 사람은 마침내 서로에 대한 확신을 갖고 입을 맞춥니다.
Why? What is wrong?
Sire, Akeem and I have depleted our funds. Kindly send 300,000 American dollars immediately, as we are in dire straits.
Should I make it 400,000?
한편 고단한 밑바닥 생활을 더는 견디지 못하고 아킴 몰래 왕실에 추가 비용을 요청하는 세미. 아들의 행방을 확인하고 크게 노한 국왕은 곧바로 두 사람을 찾아오고
Your Majesty, what are you doing here?
I received your telegram. What is Akeem?
He went out.
Your only job was to look after Akeem. How could you let him come to such a pass?
Akeem went out.
아킴의 흔적이 있는 곳을 다 돌며 급하게 왕자를 찾기 시작하죠.
Your son?
Yes, my son, the prince.
A prince? Are you serious?
Can you tell us where he might be?
Oh, yes. He's out with my lovely daughter, Lisa.
I'm staying at the Waldorf Astoria. When you see him, call me.
I'll tell him you're here.
No. Do not alert him to my presence. I shall deal with him myself.
자신이 고용했던 청년이 엄청난 재력을 가진 나라의 왕자라는 사실을 알자 급격히 좋아하기 시작하는 맥도웰.
Look who's here. Akeem, it's good to see you. Oh, no, now you got time for one drink. Have a seat.
리사를 데려다 주기 위해 집을 찾아온 아킴을 붙잡고 곧바로 국왕에게 연락하는데
Sir, I really appreciate your hospitality, but I have to get going.
Oh, no, you can stay a little while longer. I just put some delicious hors d'oeuvres in the oven. Son, let me go see if they're ready.
Lisa, I must leave.
Is something wrong, Akeem?
I promise I will tell you when the time is right, but now I must go. Tell your father goodbye for me.
평소와 다른 사장의 태도에서 이상함을 느낀 아킴은 곧바로 자리를 뜨죠.
He said he had to leave.
Well, he can't leave.
What is going on? And why are you being so nice to Akeem all of a sudden?
Okay, Lisa. He's rich. He is rich.
What?
He's got his own money. A prince. He's a prince. Oh, Lisa, you did it this time. You hit the jackpot.
모든 진실을 듣고 혼란스러워하는 리사.
Wow, look who's here. Come in. Come in.
Where is Akeem?
He just stepped out.
You told me my son was here.
You know, my daughter Lisa might know where he went. Akeem and Lisa have gotten quite close.
Where is your daughter? I must speak to her at once.
아들의 마음을 사로잡은 여성을 확인하기 위해 국왕은 리사를 직접 만나는데
I understand you're seeing my son.
I was seeing him.
Then he must have told you about his wife in Zamunda.
He's married?
No, but he will be soon. We've already chosen his bride. So you see, he could not be at all serious about you.
진실을 왜곡하며 리사에게 거짓말을 하기 시작하죠.
Excuse me, I need to be alone for a moment.
Lisa, where you going? I want you to meet the Queen.
I'm sorry. I have to get out of here.
What's the matter, baby? What'd you say to my daughter?
I told her the truth, that Akeem could not be interested in her.
How can you be so sure?
Oh, come now. Our son cannot consort with such a girl.
I don't give a damn who you are. This is America, Jack.
소중한 딸의 행복을 우선하며 무례한 국왕에게 분노하는 맥도웰.
Where is Lisa?
Your daddy here just ran her off.
What did you tell her?
It is of no consequence. We shall return to Zamunda at once.
I will not leave without Lisa.
So you do care for her.
Mother, I love her.
Then go after her.
자신의 아버지가 벌인 일과 리사가 상처받은 사실을 알고 곧바로 리사를 찾으러 향하는데
Stop! Lisa! I will be fine by myself.
소중한 사람을 붙잡기 위해 필사적으로 쫓기 시작하죠.
Lisa, please. I did not mean to hurt you. Lisa, please. I love you.
Oh, your father told me to sow your royal oats.
Oh, no. I came to America to find my bride. I came to Queens to find you.
So why did you lie to me then? Why didn't you just tell me you were Prince?
Because I wanted you to love me for who I am.
진심을 담아 리사를 붙잡기 시작하는 아킴.
Just wouldn't work out. We're too different.
You want me to renounce my throne? I will. From this moment on, I renounce my throne. I am no longer the Prince of Zamunda. I renounce my throne. Does this make you happy?
Go on, honey. Take a chance.
모든 것을 포기할 각오도 보였지만 리사는 결국 아킴을 두고 떠납니다.
Bye, Akeem.
You're still not speaking to me.
I only want our son to be happy.
And so do I. Alien, please. It is out of our hands. The girl told him no.
Well, after the way you treated her, who could blame her?
Even if she said yes, they still could not marry. It is against the tradition.
Well, it is a stupid tradition.
Who am I to change it?
I thought you were the king.
결국 다시 자문다로 돌아가는 왕실 사람들. 성대한 궁전 안에서 슬픔을 감춘 채 결국 아킴의 결혼식이 진행되고 마는데 슬픈 표정으로 면사포를 올리자 환하게 웃으며 서 있는 신부의 정체는 리사였죠.
Would you really have given up all of this just for me?
Of course. If you like, we can give it all up now.
왕자가 아닌 소중한 아들의 사랑을 지켜주기 위해 전통을 바꿔 행복을 이뤄줍니다.
Good morning, mother and father.
Good morning, Tanashi. Good morning, mother and father.
Good morning, Uma.
Good morning, mother and father. And happy anniversary.
Yes, Mika.
결혼식으로부터 30년이란 시간이 지난 자문다.
You look tired, father.
Maybe he needs a nap.
아킴은 리사와 사랑스러운 세 딸을 낳고 행복한 삶을 보내고 있었죠. 자폐 국왕이 위독해지자 유언을 듣기 위해 그를 찾는데
The throne must pass to a male heir.
Yes, father.
You got a son.
That is impossible. The only woman I have ever lain with is Lisa. Father, why was his existence hidden from me all these years?
I was hoping you would put a stem on an apple of your own.
This is your bastard.
후계 문제로 고민하던 아킴에게 자신도 몰랐던 숨겨진 아들이 있다는 충격적인 이야기를 합니다.
Our people will be safe is the only way.
Hello. I am King Akim Jaffer, King of Zamunda.
자폐 국왕이 세상을 뜨자 왕위 계승을 위해 곧바로 아들을 찾으러 다시 미국을 찾은 아킴.
And my only son.
Oh my God. My African.
So you know this man?
I definitely know this man. I know this man all the way live, you know. Y'all was doing that little weak pickup game. I think he was supposed to be like the prince or something.
He is not a prince anymore. He is our king.
Yo, mom, for real, is this dude my father?
라벨을 자문다로 데려가기 위해 곧바로 가족들을 찾아가는데
Oh boy, yeah, he might be.
I've come back for my son and have him take his rightful place on the throne. I'm only giving him an opportunity to have a better life.
No, hey, man, for real, look. I don't know who you think you are. I'm gonna tell you who I am, man. I'm Lavelle Johnson, all right?
라벨은 평생 몰랐던 아버지에 대해 적대적인 반응을 보이죠.
Wait,
My mistake. Continue.
Oh my God, do the right thing. Do the right thing.
눈앞에 막대한 돈과 금을 보자마자 망설임 없이 자문다로 향하기로 결심하는 라벨.
Mom, pack your bags, man. We out.
What? What's up, Sam?
Lavelle, Princess Tanashi. Tanashi, this is your bastard brother from America. And Princess Uma, this is your bastard brother from America.
자문다에서 어색한 인사를 나누지만 왕위 계승권을 뺏길 위기에 처한 첫째 미카는 적대적인 반응을 보이고
So, how you doing?
General EZ, we have just been informed King Akim has returned from America with a son.
호시탐탐 기회를 노리던 자문다의 적대적인 이즈 장군은 아킴과 라벨의 소식을 듣게 되죠.
Good morning, Your Royal Highness. My name is Mirembe. I will be your royal groomer. Please, allow me the honor of trimming your most precious hairs. Now please, sit back and relax.
자문다의 새로운 왕자로서 모든 호화로운 대접을 받기 시작하는 라벨. 위협적인 군사들을 데리고 이제 장군이 자문다를 기습적으로 방문하는데
General Izzy, what a totally unexpected surprise.
King Akim, I have come to give you congratulations for locating one of your lost spurs. Shall we join our families in marriage under
엄청난 욕심을 갖고 자문다를 흡수하려는 그는 곧바로 라벨과 자신의 딸 보포토를 혼인시키려 하죠.
As you know, I have very, very strong opinions when it comes to arranged marriages. True love is the bedrock of my kingdom. But if this is something that Lavelle desires, who am I to stand in his way?
Wait, what? Father.
Lavelle, is this what you want?
Yeah, I'm about it.
Then it is settled!
Then let us proceed!
위협적인 이지 장군을 같은 편으로 만들기 위해 단번에 혼인을 수락하는 아킴.
Remember your father's final words. The boy must pass the princely test.
I give you a week. I wouldn't want to go back to plotting your death.
진짜 왕자가 되기 위한 시험에 통과해야 한다는 주술사 바바의 말에 이지 장군은 곧바로 돌아가고
All right, y'all. What am I doing out here? I'm hungry. I'm late for my bath. What am I looking for? Oh! That's a damn lion, bruh!
Only when you can retrieve the whiskers from a resting lion will you be ready to become prince.
자문다 왕실의 전통에 따라 왕자가 되기 위한 위험한 시험이 시작되죠.
This is a joke, because I know your soft ass ain't never do nothing like that.
Oh, yes, I did. On my very first attempt.
Well, yes, first attempt, very brave.
You'll need the courage of all your ancestors.
A machete, a rocket launcher, what you got?
The cunningness of your Western ways. And these.
Thank you.
작은 가위 하나만 들고 맨몸으로 사자와 맞서야 한다는 이야기에 극심한 공포에 질린 라벨.
Ain't this a bitch? I just don't belong here.
You are the son of the king of Zamunda. You come from a long line of Joffas.
I come from a long line of broke-ass nobodies. What the hell I was thinking that I could have this? Or any of it? Hey, for real, just cut this off, all right? Just cut it off.
점점 위험해지는 상황에 미렌베에게 고민을 털어놓기 시작하는데
This is fair. To be honest, it wasn't a great look on you. Just one of the many backward Zamundan traditions.
Hell yeah. How long have you felt that? We know how itchy this is? It's a rat tail. And what's up with y'all and lion whiskers? Like, be for real, what's up with that?
두 사람은 이해할 수 없는 자문다의 이상한 전통 이야기를 하며 마음이 통하죠.
Yo, look where I'm at. Not supposed to be here. You know, my whole life, I had dreams that my pops would show up and take me and my mom away to a whole new life. And come to find out, he's a king. To a whole damn country.
감당하기 힘든 극심한 부담감을 이기지 못하고 결국 자신이 처한 상황에 대해 한탄하기 시작하는 라벨.
This ain't my way, Mirembe. And I can't be what he wants me to be.
Then perhaps be not as King Akim, but as Prince Akim.
Ain't that the same brother?
You haven't heard the story.
힘들어하는 그에게 아킴의 과거 이야기를 하며 따뜻하게 조언하기 시작하고
In a land of queens.
I intend to find my bride.
He flew across the sea to find his true love, not Lisa McDowell of Queens.
To be loved, to be loved.
신분과 전통을 이겨낸 아킴과 리사의 사랑 이야기를 시작하죠.
The wedding was grand and beautiful and magical. A new dawn had arisen in Zamunda, a new sense of hope and change. King Akim may have forgotten his story, but the people of Zamunda have not.
과거의 낡은 관습에 묶여있는 라벨의 머리를 시원하게 잘라주는 미렘베.
Be not the prince of Zamunda. Be the prince from Queens.
That one is Tunde Jafar. He's the reason why the Zamunans migrated from the north to the east.
He is doing pretty good.
Yeah?
Queen, I'm a queen.
There's but one test that remains, retrieving the whiskers from a lion.
지혜로운 미렘베의 조언을 듣고 시험에 당당히 도전하기 시작하는데
Damn, I'm just trying to be like you. You know what I mean? You know, Mirembe, my royal barber, told me the story that your pops wanted you to marry a next-Dorian girl, so you bounced to Queens to find a wife on your own terms?
I wanted to find more than a wife. To find someone that I connected with on every level.
라벨은 낡은 전통에 맞서 진실된 사랑을 찾은 아버지 아킴처럼 되고 싶어 하죠. 왕자가 되기 위한 마지막 시험을 앞두고 사자를 조용히 관찰하는 라벨.
He looks hungry. You can see it in how he walks low to the ground.
Look, man, you haven't liked me since I got here, and I get that.
Well, no one is asking you to stay.
It's all good, little sis. All good. I'll be gone in a minute, because I'm about to be eaten by a lion!
I hope so.
Fine! Fine!
자신이 누려야 할 자리를 뺏어간 라벨이 마음에 들지 않았던 미카는 그에게 공격적으로 대하는데
Been getting that look my entire life. People write me off because of the way I talk, or where I'm from. But you got no idea what I'm talking about. Because you a princess.
Princesses can be written off just as much as anyone.
서로 날카로운 태도를 보이던 두 사람은 흥분을 가라앉히고 대화를 시작하죠.
It is not fair for me to blame you for my father's mistake. Not that you are a mistake. Well, you kind of are a
Okay,
mistake.
I get it. I get it. I.
Perhaps the test has nothing to do with bravery. The tests are also a challenge of the mind.
미카의 날카로운 조언에 무언가 깨달은 듯한 표정의 라벨. 마음을 열고 가까워진 두 사람은 함께 대나무를 베며 무언가 만들기 시작하는데
So in sales, it's called a bait and switch. So the customer thinks that they're buying something at half off. So they come flocking, waving their wallets, just hungry to buy something. But by the time they get there, just tell them to upgrade or double the price.
Yes, it is the same as a technique we use in battle called the feigned withdrawal. An army retreats with the sole intention of drawing the enemy out and ambushing him.
So what, in this scenario, I'm the retreating army?
No, you are the bait to switch.
그렇게 왕자가 되기 위한 마지막 시험이 시작되죠. 숨을 죽인 채 사자에게 조심스럽게 접근하는 라벨. 미카와 함께 만든 대나무 방어막으로 성공적으로 사자를 유인하고
What is this?
What is this?
What every dangerous house cat likes.
Cat food.
누구도 생각하지 못한 엄청난 기지를 발휘해 안전하게 마지막 시험을 통과합니다.
I mean, Aside from some insane rituals y'all have here, I suppose life here ain't too bad.
Well, there are certain freedoms that exist outside of Zamunda.
Okay. Like what?
시험 합격의 기쁨이 가득한 그날 밤, 미렌베와 함께 시간을 보내는 라벨.
But it has always been a dream of mine to one day have my own barbershop.
Yo, that's awesome.
자신만의 가게를 열고 싶다는 미렌베의 소중한 꿈에 대해 듣게 되지만
Do it. I don't know anybody who can work scissors like you.
Well, except women are not allowed to own businesses in Zamunda.
You serious?
Indeed.
It's not cool. Well, I'm Prince, right? So you know something? As long as I'm Prince, I can promise you there's gonna be some changes around here.
자문다의 전통의 벽에 막혀 좌절하는 그녀를 따뜻하게 위로하죠.
Promises to do things differently, but eventually they do things the same way they've always been done before.
Yeah, well, I'm not like every other prince, remember? I'm a prince from Queens.
I wonder who taught you that.
서로에 대한 깊은 호감이 느껴지던 바로 그때 기습적으로 입을 맞추는 라벨.
I should not have done that.
Wait, hold on. Mirab.
I think it is best you go to bed and get some rest. Tomorrow is going to be a very long day. You are one step closer to marrying your princess. Good night.
높은 신분의 벽이라는 차가운 현실을 느낀 미렌베는 결국 라벨을 두고 떠나는데
King!
Yes, so wonderful to see you, Jen.
Prince Lavelle.
General Lizzie.
Please, allow me to reintroduce my daughter, Popoto.
다음 날 정식으로 다시 왕자가 된 라벨의 파티에 이제 장군이 다시 찾아오죠.
Perhaps you two should get to know each other a little better.
Yes.
So, marriage. It's a big step.
I will make you a happy prince.
결혼해야 하는 상대이기에 보포토에 대해 천천히 알아가려는 라벨.
What about you? How can I make you a happy princess? What do you like?
Whatever you like.
Is there a goal you have? Is there a business that you want to start?
Whatever business you'd like to start.
자신이 좋아하는 것과 이루고 싶은 꿈조차 없는 그녀를 보자 본능적으로 미렌베를 쳐다보는데
I want to have a connection with the person that I'm going to spend the rest of my life with.
But I am just a wife.
Can you wait right here?
Okay, but what shall I do?
Just wait. Right here.
I shall wait here.
자신이 진정으로 사랑하고 함께하고 싶은 운명의 상대가 미렌베라는 걸 알고 다시 그녀를 찾아가죠.
I don't want to marry her. I want to be with you. You and only you are the reason why I'm a prince.
But Lavelle...
Look. My father, he'll understand. I'll be right back.
간절한 마음으로 진심을 전하고 아킴에게 자신의 확고한 선택을 이야기하려는 라벨.
Snatching up this bastard boy from America and throwing him into our kingly affairs? Like a chess pawn? Your pawn just took a future queen, and now there can be peace and profit.
Well played, King Akeem.
자신을 그저 이득의 수단으로 사용했다는 사실을 알고 실망한 라벨은 곧바로 도망칩니다.
Where is Prince Lavelle?
My prince asked me to stay here about an hour ago.
Prince Lavelle Johnson was seen fleeing with the royal groomer, and he took his Uncle Reem and that wretched woman with him as well.
Show respect. She is still the mother of my son.
She took the royal jet. That thieving.
라벨이 자문다를 자신 몰래 완전히 빠져나갔다는 사실을 알게 되는 아킴.
Evening strolls, he does that from time to clear his mind.
Oh. I hope he's not getting cold feet.
Nonsense.
Good. Because I will be expecting a wedding tomorrow.
Of course.
Wedding bells, wedding bells.
복잡하고 혼란한 머릿속을 정리하기 위해 맥도웰의 가게에서 옛날처럼 묵묵히 걸레질을 하는데
I used to quite enjoy mopping. It was simple and it made sense. Every day I've moved closer to the comforts of life. And now my eyes are open. And the man that I always wanted to be is on the other side of the world.
Lavelle.
Yes, flee to America for love just as I did. And now because of my stubbornness, I have run off my own son. Failed him as a father.
장인어른인 맥도웰에게 조언을 구하기 시작하죠.
And heavy lies the head that wears the crown.
Yes, I understand that expression more now. It's not so much the crown that is so heavy.
It's everything that comes with it. You've got your country to run. And the crazy-ass general breathing down your neck. And on top of all that, you got to be a husband and a father.
I much needed to hear the wisdom of a father.
Well, I'm sure your father would understand what you're going through.
Yes.
아킴이 처한 상황에 대해 냉정하게 조언해주는 맥도웰.
What do you think your mother would say now?
My mother?
The Queen. I always thought that she was the wisest of all the Jaffers. What do you think she would say to you now, son?
자문다에서 가장 현명했던 아킴의 어머니가 어떻게 했을지에 대해 조언을 해주자 그는 무언가 깨달은 듯한데.
Simondens, rise. Prepare the royal jet. I shall return to America and retrieve this errant child of mine.
General Izzy will return in one day, and if there's no wedding, he most certainly will attack.
You stay here and protect my family.
I'm no warrior, Your Majesty.
그는 곧바로 아들을 찾기 위해 미국행 비행기에 몸을 실으려 하죠.
All right, let's get hitched.
Look, I just want to apologize. I know this isn't exactly the wedding you've always imagined.
I don't know why you would apologize.
한편 자신의 고향 퀸즈에서 사랑하는 미렘베와 함께 인생의 새로운 시작을 결심하는 라벨.
Couldn't be more perfect.
That's right, girl. You family now.
I assume the prince has returned from his midnight stroll and is prepared to marry my daughter.
My apologies, General. Prince Lavelle is currently indisposed.
수상함을 느낀 이지 장군은 위협적으로 자문다로 쳐들어오지만
Keep as a prisoner until King Akeem gives me my answer. Fighting is not for pretty girls and princesses. Your king and father should have taught you to be more polite, not so nasty.
아킴의 강인한 딸들과 세미가 합세하여 거침없는 반격을 시작하죠.
Defend yourself, you sweat from a baboon's balls.
압도적인 무술 실력으로 결국 이지 장군을 제압하는 미카.
Perhaps now you would like to solve your problems diplomatically.
Now it's time for the main event, young folks. Lavelle Johnson, do you take...
No! Did you run here all the way from Africa?
아킴은 서둘러 발걸음을 옮겨 라벨의 결혼식 장소를 찾아가는데
I heard everything General Izzy said to you. Using me as a chess pawn, right?
Lavelle, my son.
Don't son me! I'm gonna live my life with the woman I love. Ain't no castle or mountain of gold that's gonna stop me from loving her. And I'm gonna try my hardest to make her happy. Now, do you or do you not understand that?
그곳에서 스스로의 의지로 당당히 자신의 사랑을 지키는 라벨의 모습을 보게 되죠.
I do. Long ago, I had your spirit. But I may not have been as brave as you, Lavelle Johnson. But I know true love.
흔들림 없는 눈빛으로 사랑을 맹세하는 라벨을 보며 자신의 과거의 모습을 떠올리는 아킴.
The burdens of my country are not yours to carry. If you want to stay here in Queens and marry this fine Zamundan woman, I shall not stand in your path. I have been ruled by fear for far too long. It's time for me to start becoming my own king. My own man. Just as you did, my son.
왕이자 아버지로서 진심을 다해 라벨을 인정하고
So, please excuse my intrusion. Carry on, please.
This doesn't feel right.
What? You don't want to get married?
No, I'm not saying I don't want to get married.
Then what?
Someone is my home. It is my pride and my joy.
모든 시선 속에서 미렌베는 갑자기 결혼식을 중단시키죠.
Well, maybe we should get married at the palace.
But what about your people here? What about the land of queens?
Wait! Hear me now! I am King Akim Joffer, and I am bestowed with great power. I shall bring queens to Zamunda!
진실된 사랑을 약속하는 두 사람을 축복하며 모두를 데리고 자문다로 돌아가는 아킴.
Presenting the Crown Prince of Zamunda, Prince Lavelle, and his bride, Princess Mirembe.
I think my kingdom was safer with me gone and you in charge.
I simply acted as my father and king has instructed.
자신이 자리를 비운 사이 자문다를 완벽히 지켜낸 미카에게 깜짝 선물을 준비하는데
Mika Joffer shall rule as queen.
But the laws.
Will change, with more changes to come with your guidance.
And what about Prince Lavelle?
Prince Lavelle shall serve as an ambassador to America.
Thank you.
And as your brother. Forgive an old fool.
사랑하는 딸이 그토록 원하던 자문다의 후계자 자리를 약속하죠.
King Akim! Love has once again triumphed in Zamunda. Oh, children, you can go and play. Go dance. Shake your booties off.
I hear the trade routes have reopened between our nations.
미카의 활약으로 적대적인 모습에서 우호적인 모습으로 바뀐 이지 장군.
For us old heads.
Hey! What say you, brother? Would you like to leave all this and go back to Queen?
모두가 행복한 결혼식 파티를 즐기는 모습을 끝으로 자문다의 이야기는 막을 내립니다. 영화 구원작전은 전통에 맞서 진정한 사랑을 찾는 유쾌한 과정을 통해 웃음과 따뜻한 가족애를 느낄 수 있는 영화입니다. 특히 30년 만에 속편이 제작되어 원작의 향수와 새로운 세대의 에너지가 완벽한 조화를 이룹니다. 웃으며 힐링하고 싶은 분들, 그리고 진정한 나만의 길을 고민하는 분들께 이 영화를 강력히 추천합니다.